Okay, in this last video, we're still doing using the same concept, using the tables, using the graphs, using the equations, but they're getting us to do more of the work. So it says complete the table and then write the equation for the relationship shown in the graph. So the first thing it suggests is we complete the table. There's a couple ways we can do this. Because so much of the table is filled in, I'm noticing that there's 3 plus 2 is 5, 16 plus 2 is 18, 17 plus 2 is 19. So in the back of my mind, I'm already thinking the formula for this is probably y equals x plus 2. But let's fill in, as it asked us, the missing value first, and then we can check. If our guess is correct, at 11 for x, y should be 13. So let's look over, because we see that at 3 it's at 5. At 11, are we right? Yes, it's at 13. So Ms. Cooper, how did you figure out that equation? It's the patterns, right? Going back to what we've been doing since like grade 2. What do we notice? If this is 3, that's 5. There's 2 difference there. 11 and 13, a difference of 2. 16 and 18, a difference of 2. 17 and 19, a difference of 2. Therefore, I'm just taking my x value and adding 2 in order to get my y. Hope that makes sense. You could say this example is a bit trickier, but if you can read graphs, it's the same thing. Complete the table, which this time we don't have any values in the y, so we're just going to have to find them out by reading the graph, and then write the equation for the relationship shown in the graph. So where are we when x is 1? When x is 1, our y value is 1. I'm going to write that in. You can see our dot right in there. When x is 3, our y value is 3. This is a little bit different. When x is 14, I bet you can guess, our y value is 14. And probably unsurprisingly, when x is 20, our y value is 20. Okay, so how on earth am I going to write that as an equation or a relationship? X is 1, y is 1. We're not adding anything, we're not minusing anything, it's just equal. Sometimes the easiest answers are the right answers. For this one, the relationship, we'd say y simply equals x. If x is 1, y is 1. X is 3, y is 3, 14, 14, 20, 20. That's it. So just looking at the relationship and coming up with an equation. Good luck.